Are you fascinated by advancements in antenna technology? Let's talk about the slot cavity backed array antenna, a remarkable innovation that enhances performance in modern communication systems. Where in this video, I have designed a 5G slot cavity backed array antenna. Slot cavity backed array antennas are known for their exceptional efficiency and compact design. These antennas integrate cavity-backed structures with array configurations, resulting in improved directivity, gain, and bandwidth. This makes them an optimal choice for applications where space is a constraint but high performance and reliability are essential, such as in satellite communication, radar systems, and 5G networks. The unique structure of a slot cavity-backed array allows it to suppress unwanted radiation and focus energy more effectively. This leads to reduced side lobes and a more directional beam, enhancing signal clarity and minimizing interference. As we move towards more sophisticated communication technologies, understanding and leveraging the potential of such antennas can be a game-changer. If you're exploring antenna design or curious about high-frequency communication solutions, I'd love to hear your insights or answer any questions. Let's discuss how these antennas are shaping the future of wireless communication.